multi-partisan. It's a disaster. FDC problems. Nandala faction, Amoriat faction versus Besigye. The party is torn symmetrically into two. And Besigye is rotting in prison on treason charges. UPC problems, the political party that brought independence to Uganda. Problems. Some of the UPC members are ministers in the NRM like Betty among it. So the signal is not clear whether it is an opposition party or it is an NRM party. Problems. DP, dead party, sorry, Democratic Party. Problems. It is the oldest political party in Africa that has not collapsed and has also not acquired state power. Norbert Mao is inside the NRM and the members outside are there. Problems. National Unity Platform. Problems. The DA group of Matthias Mpuga and the Bobby Wine faction. Problem, and yet it is the biggest political party in Uganda. Problems. So as days are numbered for the next election. Odonga, under which party are you running? I am running independent. I'm tired of those problems. I speak my mind. What is bad is bad. What is good is good. Aru County. Here I come as an independent opposition member of parliament. Independent opposition. There are 3 types of independent MPs. Read in my book. There are independent opposition MPs. There are independent NRM MPs. And there are independent members of parliament. So here we are, 2026, Aru County. MP, here I come, independent opposition MP. Oh.